Hello, in this video I want to demonstrate you installation of API Portal with non-root user. So before this release we had to install API Portal within a root session, which is a security issue for a number of reasons. So in the current release we added a non-root installation support with using sudo command, which elevates privileges for a non-root user. So here I am, as you can see, with my Axman user, and I can install API Portal with this user. So first of all, I'll cd to my build directory where my installation scripts are, as you can see here. So here I can type sudo API Portal install and type my sudo command, which is this, and here, as you can see, installation process began. For simplification of this demonstration, I will use the simplest path. So I'll skip this one, enter database Joomla, and I'll choose here no, again for simplification. And here, as you can see, my installation process began. So now it's almost done. I'll choose no here, and I'll use an SSL certificate, self-signed. And now, well, we can check if our API Portal site is working. Okay. And it obviously is. In order to make use of API Portal non-root installation, first of all, I need a sudo command, which I can check with each sudo or just sudo. As you can see, I have a sudo command. If I don't have, I can install it easily with yum install sudo or dnf install sudo, depending on the package manager you use. Another thing would be a non-root user, which I can create with add user command. In my case, it will be Axman user, and I'll need to set it a password with passwd. Here I'll set a password. And another thing would be setting this user to a wheel group, which will make this user a sudo user. So I'll use user mode, add group wheel to user Axman. So it's done. Now we can switch to this user with this command, and I can check if I have a sudo command. Yeah, I have a sudo command, and if I am in the wheel group, yes, I am in the wheel group. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about installation of API Portal with non-root user.